the guitar string sounds as sweet when plucked from a woman's hand as from a man's, as from a black's, as from a white's. You cannot extrapolate race, nor gender, nor personal preferences from a simple written word. You cannot decipher whether the air in your lungs now was previously breathed by a Muslim, a Jew, a Christian, or an atheist. Wisdom is as true from one side of the globe as from the other. A coin from a poor man is worth as much of a credit as the same coin from a rich man. The planted grain knows not the nature of the hand that planted it. Logic lends no clemencies to the prevailing political trends. Natural beauty does not withhold its wonder from any who care to behold it. Being right is not exclusive to, nor contingent on, any form of status, or charisma, or reputation, authority, or faith. Remember